Here's the ugly truth. Most boxers spend hours throwing punches, but their feet move like they're stuck in mud. That's why they get hit, trapped, and outclassed. The difference between you and fighters like Ali, Mayweather, or Tyson, it's not speed, it's not power, it's footwork. Specifically, 7 patterns of movement that make you untouchable. Master these, and you'll move like a ghost. Footwork isn't about looking fancy. It's about controlling distance, angles, and rhythm, so your opponent is always a step behind. Think about Ali's shuffle, Mayweather's pivots, Tyson's explosive slips. None of those legends relied on just throwing harder punches. They mastered footwork first. Bad footwork equals predictable target. Great footwork equals you decide when and where the fight happens. By the time we hit drill 7, you'll see the exact movement Tyson used to vanish under punches and explode back with counters. The 7 patterns. 1. The step and slide. Basic movement in any direction. Step first, then slide the trailing foot. Keeps balance and stance solid. Bread and butter boxing movement. 2. The L step. Move back, then pivot out to the side. Escapes pressure and sets up angles. Opponent comes forward, you're already gone. 3. The side step, or cutting the ring. Step laterally to cut off space. Forces opponents into corners. Simple, but makes you the ring general. 4. The pivot. Quick spin off the lead foot. Turns defense into instant offense. Ali and Lomachenko use this constantly to confuse opponents. 5. The circle step. Moving around the opponent while keeping them in front of you. Tires them out, keeps you fresh. Imagine dancing around while they chase shadows. 6. The drop step. Explosive forward lunge to close distance fast. Tyson's signature makes short fighters lethal against taller opponents. 7. The switch step. Bonus pattern. Quick stance switch mid-step. Creates confusion and opens unorthodox attack angles. Not for flash. When used right, it makes your opponent freeze. Do these right and your opponent will look like they're shadow boxing Casper the Friendly Ghost because you're never where they think you are. Why these 7 work? Covers every situation. Advancing, escaping, angling, cutting the ring. They stack together. Chain 2 or 3 and you're basically untouchable. It's not about speed. It's about patterns and rhythm. Here's the challenge. Every day this week, practice 1 pattern for 3 rounds of shadow boxing. By the end of 7 days, you'll have all 7 patterns drilled into muscle memory. Then, in sparring, chain them together and watch how hard it becomes for anyone to pin you down. If you can control your feet, you control the fight. Punches win rounds, footwork wins wars. Comment which footwork drill you're practicing first. Subscribe for the next video where we'll cover how to chain footwork with defense so you can hit without getting hit.